Hey, how's it going? Been a while since I did a little vloggity type post, but been a little bit of a trickiness trying to get the some projects done here. So we'll do a little run through, but been having some issues with the CR-10 lately. Let me show ya. So this is the infamous CR-10, and this is the infamous Arlo, who apparently wants to come say hello to everybody. Yup. Anyway, this is the CR-10, and I've been having the hardest time trying to get these layers to stick. I've been having problems with the extruder. I think I've narrowed that down to not only the stock PTFE was a little bit too tough to get filament through, but also I'm thinking it was it's this fitting here, this PTFE fitting that goes into the hot end. I don't think best quality ever. So there's that. Then the Hoonie, she's a printing. I think we're at like 90 or so hours on it, so almost done for the print review. So we'll get that done. Then we got this. This is gonna be a custom silicone mold for the end of a lawn dart. So the lead portion of the lawn dart. This will be the shaft of the lawn dart. The fins are printed. If you've been following me on Instagram, you might see that. But that's a project in the works. I have to demold this, take out the sprue hole section, pour in some lead in there. It's going to be a whole deal. I also have to do the same situation with this small part. This is going to be a lead part on another thing that I will have a video out on shortly. That's a fishing planer board. So if you know anything about fishing, I designed and printed a planer board, so that'll be interesting. So it's been pretty crazy. Also, there's kind of been this thing happening in the Midwest. I'm not sure if you're aware, but let's go take a look. So there's also this. I don't know if you can really tell in the background, but it's April 16th, and there's snow on the ground. A lot of snow. Like a lot of snow. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but we got roughly 13 inches or so. So there's that. And yeah, hasn't been very fun. So yeah, everything's been snowed in. It's been a bit rough. So I've been digging everything out. I'm still working on videos. Don't worry about it. It's just one of them deals. Got a lot going on. So stay tuned. I'll get another video out on a project soon, but keep your amps up and your filament dry.